Welcome to St. Martin's Church in Canterbury, which is the oldest church in Britain still in use. It is also the oldest existing parish church in the English-speaking world, and a place of profound historical significance. As we begin our aerial tour, take in the peaceful surroundings of this beautiful church, which has stood for over 1,400 years. St. Martin's was founded in the 6th century, making it the oldest parish church still in use today in England. Originally built in the early 600s, it is directly connected to the mission of St. Augustine, who came to England to spread Christianity. The church is a wonderful blend of early Saxon and Norman architecture. The iconic tower we see today was added in the 11th century, shortly after the Norman conquest. This tower has stood as a landmark for centuries, guiding pilgrims and visitors alike. Inside, the church boasts a quiet and serene interior, with medieval carvings and beautiful stained glass windows that tell stories of the Christian faith. The simplicity of its design offers a perfect place for reflection and connection. Just a short distance from here is St. Augustine's Abbey, another key site in Canterbury's Christian history. It was here that St. Augustine established his base, spreading Christianity throughout the Kingdom of Kent. The close proximity of these two landmarks tells the story of early Christian Britain. St. Martin's Church is not just a monument to the past, but also a living, active place of worship. Its historical significance and architectural beauty continue to draw visitors from around the world, offering a glimpse into England's rich Christian heritage. From its humble origins to its lasting legacy, St. Martin's Church remains a testament to faith, history, and endurance.